So friends, first of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, in this lesson number 1, we are going to solve 5 different questions, and all the 5 questions are a basic question on the topic partnership. So friends, this 5 question is based on 2-person investing some amount in a business. So friends, the PDF file is available on the description page. So don't forget to download the PDF file and try to practice all the partnership question. So friends, download the PDF file which is available on the description page and share this PDF file to your friends also. Question number 1. Ajay started a business investing rupees 12,000. So after 5 months, Bala joined him with the capital of rupees 9,000. At the end of the year, the total profit was 4,416. So what is the share of profit of Ajay? So friends, our target to find from the profit what is the share for the person Ajay, right? And after reading the complete question, we can surely say that there are 2 persons in a business. The first person is Ajay and the second person is Bala, and they have given a profit that is rupees 4,416 is for 1 year. That is also important, right? So friends, after reading the complete question, our target to find how many persons are there in a business, and second thing, the profit they have given is for 1 year or 2 year or more than 2 years, right? And the third thing, our target to find what is the share from the profit for the person Ajay, right? Okay. So friends, first of all, Ajay started a business investing 12,000. So we can say that the person Ajay is investing 12,000 and he is the person who started the business, right? So friends, listen here friends. For 1 year, we know that the profit will be 4,416. For 1 year, it is 12 months, right? So we can surely say that this person Ajay is starting the business. So he will be there for the complete 1 year. So we can say that 12,000 into 12, because this 12 indicates 12 months. So for the complete 12 months, the person Ajay will be there in the business, right? Okay. And the second is Bala, right? After 5 months only, the person Bala joined. Listen here friends, totally it will be 12 months, right? So first 5 months the Bala was not in the business. After 5 months only the Bala joined in a business, right? So 12 minus 5 will be 7. So we can surely say that the Bala will be there in a business for 7 months, right? So friends, we know that 9,000 is the capital that is for Bala, right? He is investing 9,000 in the business for next 7 months. Friends, can you able to understand this friends? Important concept. So Ajay is starting a business. He was from the starting till the end. So for the complete 12 months, the person Ajay was in the business. But the person, that is the second person Bala, he joined with them only after 5 months. We know that totally 12 months. After 5 months only the person Bala joined. So we can surely say that the Bala will be in the business for next 7 months, right? So we know that Bala is investing an amount of rupees 9,000. So 9,000 into 7 months, right? So friends, we can cancel 30. Similarly, we can cancel 30. So this will be 12 into 12 is to 9 into 7. So friends, I think we can cancel this on 3 table. That is 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Again 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12, right? So finally 4 into 4 will be 16 is to 7. So friends, finally we found the ratio of their share, that is 16 is to 7. Friends, our target to find what is the share from the profit for the person Ajay. We know that Ajay is in the ratio 16, right? So 16 divided by total share, that is 16 plus 7 will be 23. Friends, this is the share for the person Ajay, right? That is 16 divided by total ratio, that is 16 plus 7 will be 23 into the profit, right? We know that they have got a profit that is 4,416. So friends, now we need to cancel this, right? So friends, 23 ones are 23, right? So the remaining will be 21 friends, that is 2 1 and here it is 11. So friends, next is 23 into 9, right? So 23 into 9, 3s are 27, 2 207. So we can say that it will be 9, so it will be 207. So the remaining will be 4, right? And here it is, the remaining will be 46 friends. So 46 will be 2. So friends, finally we got 23 into 192 will be 4416. But our target to find what is the share, right? So we need to multiply this, that is 192 into 16. So 192 into 16. Friends, listen here friends, if you are going for any competitive exams, you should be faster on calculating this multiplication, right? So friends, I am just going to write this as 192 into 10 plus 6. Right? I am just writing the 16 as 10 plus 6. So first of all, we need to multiply 192 into 10. that is 1290. Second, we need to multiply this 192 into 6. So 6 into 2 will be 12, remainder will be 1. 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 1 will be 55. So the remainder will be 5. 6 into 1 will be 6, 6 plus 5 will be 11. So 2730. So friends, finally we got 3072 as the share for the person Ajay. So friends, here if you write this equation correctly, then solving the complete question is easy. And another important thing, learn this technique how to multiply all the numbers faster. Question number 2. So Arun started a business investing rupees 45,000. After 8 months, Vani joined him with the capital of rupees 52,000. At the end of 2 years, the total profit was 56,165. So what is the share of profit of Vani? So friends, our target to find what is the share for the person Vani, right? That is second person. Okay. So friends, they have given a profit that 56,165, but the profit they have calculated is for 2 years. That is important. In the first question we have learned the profit is calculated for 1 year, that is 12 months. But in question number 2, they have calculated the profit that is 56,165 for 2 years, that is 24 months, right? Okay. So friends, Arun starting a business with an investment of 45,000. So we can say that the person Arun is investing 45,000 in the business, right? And we know that Arun is starting a business, so till the end the person Arun was there in a business. So we can surely say that 45,000 into 24. This 24 indicates that for 2 years, that is 24 months. So for complete 24 months, the person Arun was in the business, right? Okay. And second is Vani, friends. Listen here. After 8 months only, the person Vani joined in the business. We know that total is 24 months. So after 8 months, so when we subtract 24 minus 8 will be 16. So friends, now we can surely say that for 16 months, the person Vani will be in the business, right? We know that the person Vani is investing 52,000. So 52,000 into 16. So 16 months Vani was in the business, and 24 for the complete 24 months the person Arun was there in the business, right? So now our target to find what is the share for the person Vani, right? So we need to cancel 30 and similarly cancel 30, friends. So I think we can cancel this on 8 table. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 5 into 3 will be 15, remainder will be 1. So 4 3s are 12, so 12 plus 1 will be 13, that is 135. So this will be 104. So friends, finally we have calculated the ratio, that is 135 as to 104. But our target to find what is the share of Vani, right? So this will be 104 divided by the total, that is 135 into 104 will be 239. So into, and the profit will be 5,665, right? That is 56,165. Okay. So friends, now we need to cancel this, right? Okay. So I think this will be, when we cancel this will be 2 times, because 239 into 2. So 18, remainder will be 1, 6 and 7, 478, right? Okay, so 478. So the remainder will be 83. I think the remainder will be 83, and here the number is 6, right? So 239 into 3, 9 3s are 8, 20, 9 10 11, remainder will be 617, right? 717. So I think 717, the remainder will be 119. So 119 will be 2 3, it will be 119, friends. So 119, and here it is 5. I think 239 into 5, right? So this will be 235. So friends, finally we have calculated that 239 into 235 will be 56165, right? So now we need to multiply this, friends. So this will be 235 into 104. Friends, listen here, friends, this can be written as 235 into 100 plus 4, right? So this will be easy, right? First of all, we need to multiply this 235 into 100. So 23500. Next is we need to multiply this 235 into 4. So 235 into 4 will be 940, right? So this can be written as 940. So 04442. So friends, finally we got 24,440 as the share for the person Vani, right? So interesting question. Only thing is that you should know this multiplication, so that you can calculate all the multiplication, and also you can find the answer faster. Question number 3. So Nikita and Nishita enters into a partnership by investing 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Friends, listen here. In previous question, only one person is starting the business. But in question number 3, we can surely say that both the person are starting a business, right? They are investing an amount that is 50,000. So Nikita is investing 50,000 and Nishita is investing 40,000. Okay. And they agree to share the profit in the ratio of their capitals. Okay, so find out the share of Nikita. So friends, our target to find what is the share for the person Nikita when the profit of the business is 22,500 after a year, right? So friends, we can surely say that 22,500 is the profit they have calculated for 1 year. We know that both the person is starting a business, so definitely from the starting till the end, both the persons will be in the business, right? So into 12 into 12. This 12 indicates that 12 months, right? So 12 months both the persons are there in a business. So we can cancel 12 and 12 because we need to find the ratio, right? So we can cancel 40 and here we can cancel 40. So the remaining will be 5:4. So finally we have calculated the ratio, that is 5:4. But our target to find what is the share for the person Nikita, right? So Nikita ratio is 5, total ratio that is 9 into, and we know that the profit will be 22,500. Okay, so now we need to cancel this. 9 2s are 18, remainder will be 445. So 9 5s are 45. So friends, 2,500 into 5 equal to, so friends, 5 into 25 will be 125, 0. So friends, finally we can say that the share for the person Nikita will be 12,500. Question number 4. A started a business with rupees 45,000 and was joined afterwards by B with rupees 54,000. After how many months did B join if the profit at the end of the year was divided in the ratio 2:1? So friends, the profit is divided in the ratio 2:1 and they have calculated this profit for 1 year, that is 12 months, right? And there are two persons in a business, A and B, and they have, in the first point they have given that A started a business with the investment of 45,000. So we can say that with the investment of 45,000, A started a business, and we know that the person A is starting the business. So till the end the person A was in the business, so we can say that 12 months, right? For the complete 12 months the person A is in the business. Okay, so friends, listen here friends, the person B was joined afterwards, right? But we don't know how much duration the person B was there in a business, but B is investing an amount that is 54,000. So let me assume that 54,000 into X. Friends, they have given the profit is in the ratio 2:1. Listen here friends, we can cancel 30, similarly we can cancel 30. So this can be written as 45 into 12 divided by 54 into X. Friends, this X determines that we don't know how much duration B was there in a business, right? So let me assume that the X will be number of months the B is in the business, right? So 45 into 12 divided by 54 into X is equals to, and we know that they have divided their shares, that is 2 divided by 1, that is 2:1 will be 2 by 1, right? So now we need to cancel this friends. So 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12, and 9 6 are 54. So 9 5s are 45. So the numerator will be 5 and the denominator will be X is equal to 1 by 1. So friends, finally we can say that X is equal to 5. So friends, after finding X is equal to 5, most of the students will make a mistake. They will directly go for option number 2 and they say that X is equal to 5 will be your answer. That is exactly wrong. Listen here friends, we got X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5, that so 5 months. So friends, for 5 months the person B will be in the business, right? But our target, after how many months did B join? We know the total profit is calculated for 12 months. So for the first 7 months the person B will not be in the business. After 7 months the B join, so that we can say that the total will be 12 months. So friends, can you able to understand this concept friends? So B is in the business for only 5 months, but our target, after how many months that the B join? So we can surely say that for the first 7 months B will not be in the business. So after 7 months the person B has joined in the business. So we can surely say that option number D, that is 7 months, will be your answer. The last 5th question. So Ram started a business with rupees 10,000 and Banu joined him later with a capital of 40,000. If at end of the year they both get an equal share of the profit, so how many more months after the business started did Banu join it? So friends, first of all understand the question friends, right? So totally there are 2 persons in a business. One is Ram and the second person is Banu. So the person Ram is starting a business with the investment of 10,000, right? Okay, and we know that the total profit is calculated for 1 year. So if it is 1 year, so we can surely say that the person Ram will be there in a business for complete 12 months. And the second is the person Banu, right? So next is Banu joined him later with the capital of 40,000, right? So Banu joined a business with 40,000, but we don't know how much duration the Banu was there in a business, right? So let me assume it as X. But listen here friends, the most important word, if at end of the year they both get an equal share. Friends, after 1 year both the persons are getting an equal share. If from the profit, if both the persons are getting an equal share, then we can surely say that both the investment should also be same. Only then if both the investments are same, so we can say that both the shares is also same. Friends, can you able to understand this? If both the shares are same from the profit, then we can surely say that both the investment should also be same. Friends, listen here. Ram is investing 10,000 for 12 months. So we can surely say that it will be 1,20,000. So friends, 1,20,000 will be the total investment by Ram in the business for 12 months. But we know that Banu is investing 40,000, but we don't know how much month the person Banu was there in a business. But we can surely say that both the investment are same. Then only the share will be equal, right? So friends, here it is 40,000. Now we can definitely say that Banu will be in the business for 3 months. So only we can get an investment that 1,20,000, right? Now both the investments are same. So we can, according to the question, they have told that if at the end of the year they get equal shares. Since if both the investments are same, so we can surely say that their shares is also same, right? So friends, listen here friends. So finally we have calculated that for 3 months the person Banu is in the business. But our question is, listen here, our question is how many months after the business started the person Banu joined. We know that the business is 12 months. So, but the Banu is in the business only for 3 months. So we can surely say that after 9 months, right? For the first 9 months, Banu was not in the business. So after 9 months, for the last 3 months, the Banu will be in the business. So our target, how many months after the business started did the Banu join? So we can surely say that after 9 months, the person Banu joined in the business. So we can say that option number D, that is 9 months, will be your answer.